Hi everyone, in this video we will disassemble the EQ13 mini PC. First flip EQ13 over to the bottom, remove the rubber plugs with tweezers. Remove the screws on the four corners with a screwdriver. Next pull the rubber tab to separate the bottom panel. Please remove the two screws and then take out the SSD heatsink. Next remove the screw to take out the SSD. And take out the RAM by pressing down on the latches on both sides. In this step we will show how to disassemble the built-in power supply. This is for demonstration only, users please do not disassemble it. Next remove the screw to take out the wireless card. Remove the screws to take out the board. Unscrew the screws to remove the motherboard. Pull out the fan cable and unscrew the screws of the CPU fan. And then you can take out the fan. Finally, put all components back to its original place and it will be ready to use.